Known for its well-groomed piste and its well-maintained park, this is Hakuba 47. With only 12 trails or courses on the piste map, Hakuba 47 turns out to be pretty small. But with its bigger brother Goryu also listed, check this video here, you can access both resorts, which means it's definitely worth the trip. The lifts here at 47 are actually quite quick when compared to some of the other resorts here in the valley. A gondola to take you from the base to above the park, a two-person chair to lap the park endlessly, and a quad to take you all the way up to the top of the resort. So 47 has a half pipe. Which is a new experience for me. So I am far from being a polished freestyle rider, but here at Hakuba 47, the park is actually really decent for progression. You've got everything from small jumps and ride-on boxes all the way up to the large jump line and your more advanced rail features. Up here is really well maintained, and you can see park crew out on the jumps, out on all the ride-ons, just making sure that those takeoffs are absolutely perfect. So one of the things that you need to know about this place, 47, is that the tree riding zones, you actually need to register for. So you can't just go where you want like you would at most European resorts. Down at the base, there's a little area down by the ski school where you have to go in if you want to ride in the tree zones and listen to a lecture. Not only do you need to listen to a lecture, they give you an ID card which shows that you have actually attended that lecture, and every day that you come here and you want to ski in the trees, you've got to trade that ID card for a bib. Now the bib lets Ski Patrol know that you have actually done the course, and that allows you to ride in there. Otherwise, if you're found in there, they'll take your lift pass. What I would say is that if you're a beginner or an intermediate, or if you like freestyle, you are going to love this place. Advanced riders, if you're going to ride through the trees, make sure you sign up at the ski school in the morning and get that bib, listen to that lecture, otherwise you risk losing your lift pass. If you do come to 47, make sure that you check out its bigger brother Goryu as well. If you've liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you've got any questions about Goryu or any of the other resorts or videos that we've done in Hakuba, make sure you drop it in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more videos on a weekly basis. Thanks for watching.